Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I've got a pretty massive, major update for you for Shiba Inu. As you know, I'm a huge fan. I'm in the SHIB army, and definitely it's a good day. SHIB is rising. We are going back up, so we're going to look at the overall state of the union in this video, give you kind of an update, as well as talk about the big, huge party today. I'm going to show you exactly how you can go find out about that and get involved with that today via the live virtual party that's happening for Shiba, as well as I want to talk to you about an event that's happening today that you may not be aware of. It's not specifically a Shiba Inu event. It's actually a Bitcoin event, but as you guys know who follow my channel, Bitcoin drives the overall market. When Bitcoin rises and continues to go up, Shiba follows along with it. It's its own catalyst, you know. So when the market is green, because Shiba is a top crypto now, it will follow along with that. And so this event is relevant to SHIB, and it's why I'm covering it in a Shiba Inu video, because you need to be aware of it and not just be looking solely on SHIB. So that's me making you aware of this event, and I think it's also part of the reason that SHIB is up today. Okay, so we're going to take a look at everything in this video. As always, thank you for your support of my channel, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. Here we go. As always, I have my Patreon group you need to be aware of. Links are in the description below. I've got my supporter and inner circle levels if this is something that you're interested in at the inner circle. By the way, if you click on that link below and go right here where it says show more, you can see all of the benefits you get. You get access to my portfolio, everything I'm buying, selling. You get notification when I do buy, when I do sell, everything I'm holding, why I'm holding it, and all that. Also, I give you hot tips every week on brand new cryptos that I believe firmly are going to continue to go up. So this is something that has made some people a lot of money in my group, and that's something you get at the inner circle. And both levels have access to my private Discord community. So again, if this is of interest to you, check it out in the link below. Okay, so let's talk about SHIB. The overall market is turning green today. The overall market is looking really, really good. If you got Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin up 7%. It's bouncing back from its lows of 28, hitting 28,000. Ethereum is up 9%, hit 1,700 yesterday. And so it's continuing to really rally very nicely. And you can see right here in the 24-hour column, things are looking really good. Dogecoin's up 17+%. You know, and I'm getting to SHIB, by the way. Solana up 14%. Polygon up 24%, ICP 20%. And if we scroll down here to Doge, Shiba, apologize, didn't mean to say a bad word there. Shiba is rallying as well. It's up 12+%. I had mentioned to you guys that, you know, if we got down in below 6, that was good buying levels. So hopefully some of you guys, which I know you guys did in the comments below, and also my private group, took advantage of that and bought in below 6. I think that was a really, really, really good buy-in. And, you know, we're up 11%. And I firmly believe that this bounce right here that we're seeing is really three things. Number one, it is the overall rise in Bitcoin and Ethereum rising and pulling the rest of the market up. Don't believe me? Look at these charts right here on the left. Go to CoinMarketCap. Look at these last 7-day charts over here. Everything is, look at it, it's arcing up. You know, we bottomed, arced up. Same thing, same pattern, same pattern, same pattern, same pattern, pattern, same. Everything has the exact same pattern. If you look at my trading view chart for SHIB, you'll see that, you know, this was a previous support level that we had talked about. Well, we drove down a little bit more because of Bitcoin driving down, and then just bounced up right here. You know, just continued to bounce up real nicely. So it looks like we would continue to rise. I fully expect us to continue to rise along with the overall market conditions today as we continue to see, you know, this develop. Okay, now also I believe what's happening around this is you have the overall interest in this. This is for pretty hardcore, you know, Shiba Inu fans. This is the SHIB party that's happening today at 3 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, and if you click here, hopefully, yep, it'll load. Good. So you click here to the videos, everything there. This is where he's going to have the live event. So it's going to be, if you go back here, it's going to be, let me see, make sure. Yeah. See Shitoshi. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I was just making sure the links were. I clicked on the link last night and it went to a different channel. Looks like he's got multiple channels. So yeah, here's the correct link. So again, you can find out about this by go over to Twitter and then go follow Shitoshi Kusama, and then it's the second link down and you'll see that right there. Okay. So this is the SHIB party. It's going to be basically live broadcast on YouTube. It's going to be kind of a cool event. I'm going to be definitely checking this out myself. I'm kind of seeing how everything plays out. It's going to be kind of cool. So we're going to have, Gareth Emery is the DJ, and it should be fun. It should be pretty cool. So we'll see how that develops. So that's actually absolutely a catalyst today. Is it a catalyst that's going to translate into the rise of, Shiba Inu? Possibly, in the context that this is something that really is new, and so the media very well may pick it up. If we get some media coverage of it leading up to today, as well as maybe after the fact, that's just, that's retail investor interest that could come and take a look at what we got going on. Okay, now the other catalyst that's out here, again, don't tune me out. Listen to, I need you to hear me on this, please. So there's a pretty big event happening today. Not pretty, a very big event happening today. It's happening today at 9 a.m. Pacific Coast, California time, 12 o'clock East Coast time, 12 noon, today, July 20th. And so what it is the B Word is a Bitcoin-focused initiative that aims to demystify and destigmatize mainstream narratives about Bitcoin, explain how institutions, i.e. hedge fund, this is whale money if you want to think about it that way, just to oversimplify it, right? Can embrace it, raise awareness around areas that need support. So here's why it's relevant. Speaking at this event will be Elon. Obviously, we all know him in the capacity of crypto. Will also be Kathy Wood. If you don't know who Kathy Wood is, her company ARK Invest that she founded is one of the leading ETF funds over in the stock market world. And Kathy is unequivocally one of the most respected financial minds out there. Okay, it's kind of one of those things, when she talks, everybody listens. Okay, and so she's bringing a Bitcoin-backed ETF into the market, as well as, and so again, heavy player, right? So the fact that she's involved to discuss the future of Bitcoin, and you've got Jack Dorsey, CEO of Square, who's really stepped up and kind of become the spokesperson, if you will, for Bitcoin. This is a big, huge media event. The reason it's related to SHIB is, remember, you always come back to the fact that Bitcoin and Ethereum drive the overall pricing of the market, right? They set the stage, okay? And so when they are in the green and rising, that SHIB follows with it. That's one of the catalysts that's part of it, okay? SHIB has its own catalyst, the exchanges, Coinbase, eToro, Webull, Robinhood, by the way, nothing new on those. So that's why I'm not really talking about those. And then you've got also, so you got all that going on, right? Which are individual catalysts specific to SHIB. But then you've got, the overall market conditions, okay? That's why this is a relevant event. And that's why I bring it up in the context of SHIB, because when you need to you can't just look at Shiba Inu and say, oh, I'm looking at Shiba Inu. You have to be aware that Shiba Inu has its own catalyst, but it's also impacted by the overall cryptocurrency market. I know, well, duh, Austin. I know, but I just want to keep you aware of that, right? And that's why I'm making you aware of that, bringing you the information, sitting in this seat. I need to continue to make you aware of the evolving situation related to the overall cryptocurrency market that impacts Shiba Inu. Okay, so this is happening today. You can go to thebword.org. It's right here, thebword.org, and you can register. You can attend it if you so choose, as well as we've got the party today. So kind of a cool day, big day, a lot of stuff going on today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for your support. Truly, as always, I'm always here and always continue to be here. See you. Bye.